is like everything. That rhymed. I actually wore this today to get my hair done because I just got my hair done today. If y'all didn't notice. If y'all ain't noticed that I got my hair did. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dani P. If you are new here, welcome. I film all types of content dealing with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. So if you like to watch that type of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, what's poppin'? I haven't filmed a haul in so long. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I'm filming a Forever 21 haul. I got a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie, like this bag is full, this bag is full, this bag is really full, with another bag inside, and then another bag full right here. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as I can, but anyways, let's get right into it. So the first item that I'm showing you guys today is what I'm wearing right now. It's this cropped jacket. It has this nice furry collar, and it's really, you know, it's just like a regular jean jacket. There's really no cushion, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I thought it was cute because it's like you don't want to be too hot, but you still want to look like you're in the winter. I thought that this was a really nice addition for the closet. It is very hot in my room, so I'm going to take it off while I do the rest of this haul. I didn't really show y'all, but yeah, this is the outfit that I am wearing today, guys. I got some dark wash jeans on and then this cute little halter top. I know y'all wondering, like, why are you wearing a halter top and it's December? Listen, y'all, Georgia's not that cold. But yeah, the next thing that I'm showing you guys is also this jacket that is kind of the same thing. Listen, don't come for me, except it's not cropped and also it has cushion on the inside of it. You feel me? So this is when it's actually cold outside and you want to look like you in the wintertime. So yeah, that's the reason why I got this jacket. This jacket is in a size medium and so is the other jacket as well. So the next thing that I got from Forever 21 is this cute leather jacket, y'all. This jacket is super cute. I definitely wore it a couple times already. And it is cropped. It is a cropped leather jacket. Super dope, super cute. Now, unfortunately, it's kind of small for me. It's a size medium. I should have got a large. But as long as I wear it with no sleeves, I'm really good. Next thing I got from Forever 21 is this cute neon green colored hoodie. It says Angel on it. This is also cropped as well. Y'all, I really got a lot of cropped stuff. It's okay, it's okay. I just thought that this was super cute because it really goes with my skin tone really well. I really like bright colors. I've been starting to get more into bright colors lately, so that's really why I decided to get this. And it's really comfortable. The material is really good. And this was also in a size medium. The next thing I got from Forever 21 is another hoodie. It has some cute like pink graphic stuff on it. It has some fire graphics on the sleeve. Honestly, y'all, I thought this was really cute and flattering. It's so comfortable, and honestly, you can't really go wrong with cream stuff because you can wear them with almost anything. So yeah, I see myself wearing this honestly to chill and be cute at the same time. You know, it's hoodie season, y'all. It's hoodie season, so that's really why I got this hoodie. This is also in a size medium. Honestly, everything I got is pretty much a medium. The next thing I got from Forever 21 is this cute cropped sweater. This is giving me like Coogee vibes, y'all. Look at all of the colors, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's really comfortable, good material. It is also cropped. This is actually in a size small, y'all, so you know, but it fits like a medium. It's pretty stretchy, but y'all, this is one of the favorite things that I got from Forever 21 because I just love all the colors. Like I told y'all, I'm getting more into the bright colors. Next thing I got from Forever 21 is this cute turtleneck that is a slime green color. It's not really slime green, but it's like a neon green, y'all. Look how nicely that goes with my skin, y'all. Like, I don't know what it is about this green, but this green is like everything. That rhymed. I don't know, I just really wanted to get this because it's winter time. I need more long sleeve shirts, and this one is actually not as cropped. I think it is cropped, but you know, I wear high-waisted pants anyway, so it really doesn't matter about the croppedness. But yes, y'all, I just thought this was super cute. It's super stretchy. The material is really good. Honestly, I'm actually curious as to how I'm going to style this. I don't know how I'm going to style it yet, but y'all see. Y'all gonna see. The next thing I got from Forever 21 is a cute two-piece set. So here's the top to it. Basically like a nice cute crop brown sweater type shirt, and then here is the bottoms. It is a long skirt with a cute ass slit, baby. Like, where do I think I'm going with this? This two-piece is in a size medium, like I told y'all, and I just really think it's cute because of the color. I really like brown. I really like neutral tones, earth tones, because you can wear them with almost anything. And I don't even have to wear these together. I can wear these separate. So definitely a good cop from Forever 21. That is it for that bag. That wasn't that bad, right? What should we start with next? Let's start with this one next. Next thing I got from Forever 21 is this cute two-piece set. It's like a baby blue color. Lilac periwinkle. This is like a periwinkle, okay. It is so cute. The jacket is a little cropped, but since the sweatpants are kind of high-waisted, it really gets away with it. But y'all, I've wore this already and it is so comfortable. It has like these this scrunch at the bottom, and it has a drawstring, and it has pockets. The jacket unfortunately doesn't have pockets, which I'm very sad about, but you know, it's all good. I ain't tripping. Let's move on to this bag. So the next thing I got from Forever 21 is another two-piece set. So this one is actually one of my other favorite things besides that sweater. It's like this cute fleece crop like jacket. It's like a turtleneck because it buttons all the way up. The brand that Forever 21 collabed with is called Pantone, and they had like a lot of neutral winter-like items. Here's the top, and then here's the bottoms. Y'all, these fit me so well. Like, they go all the way down to my ankles. Y'all know that be hard when you're like kind of tall. I'm like average. I'm an average tall girl. But yes, y'all, it fits me all the way to my ankles, all the way down, and it's a medium. Both are mediums, and it's super, super comfortable. I actually wore this today to get my hair done because I just got my hair done today. If y'all didn't notice, if y'all ain't noticed that I got my hair did. I was a little hot in it, I'm not gonna lie to you, so I think I should wear it on more of one of those winter days, you know what I'm saying? And this is another one of my favorites. It's this cute chocolate dress, baby, with a slit, okay, period. So yeah, this is kind of like a turtleneck dress, very simple, very stretchy. The material feels really good. Size medium. Y'all, this was so cute when I tried it on, baby. I don't know when I'm wearing this, but y'all, when I do, baby, your girl gonna step, okay? Because this is cute as heck. Next thing that I got is this cute crew neck with a cute little teddy bear on it, y'all. I thought this was super, super cute. It says, what does it say? It says, barely awake, okay? And I have some shoes that will go perfectly with this, and it's in a size large. I got this oversized because I really like the oversized look when it comes to crew necks. I just think it's really good. The material is really nice as well, very cozy on the inside. Yeah, this was definitely a good cop. That was it for that bag. Here is the last bag that I'm showing you guys today. Next thing I got from Forever 21 is this cute puffer coat, y'all. Let me show you guys the colors to this because this is so cute. So it's kind of like a cream looking color. Y'all, this puffer coat is so cute, so comfortable. It's like a leathery material type. I don't really know how to describe it too much, and it's a crop puffer coat, which are the cutest puffer coats to me. Argue with your mother, I don't give a fuck. The reason why I got this is because one, I do not have a cream light color puffer coat. I have a black one, so I had to get a cream one. Like, I'm on. Also, I really do like these buttons that focus, bitch. So yeah, I really do like these buttons that are on it. I like that how they match the jacket. I think that's super cute. This is in a size large. So although I do like the crop puffer coats, I do like them to look oversized as well. So that's why I did get a size larger. But yeah, y'all, I just see myself wearing this with like some lighter shoes, maybe some lighter boots. Hopefully I can find some shoes that actually match the same exact color, because that would be even more bomb. I think I got from Forever 21 is this cute little black jacket. Unfortunately, I could not find the bottoms to this, and it makes me sad every single day, but it is what it is. I did still need me like a black cute regular basic jacket, you know, just to chill in, y'all. It's winter time, so we chilling, you know what I'm saying? We chilling. Zip up with the white drawstring and then the white outline for the zipper. I just thought it was cute, simple, you know. Oh, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is accessories. So I got two purses. First purse is this cute bedazzled shoulder bag, y'all. Honestly, a lot of people was telling me not to get this, but I was just like, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean don't get this? I just thought it was really cute. I do wish that the handle was a little like longer, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. I just thought this was more of like a statement piece. Like if I really just want to up my outfit, I can wear this cute ass shoulder bag, you feel me? And then the last item I got is this, another kind of like lunchbox looking bag. It's like a puffer bag. It's not really a tote bag because it's too small to be a tote bag, but it also has a strap. So let's check this out because I was waiting to film this video to actually unleash the strap. So yeah, the strap is really adjustable, which is really cute to me. I like that a lot. I like how you can wear it short and you could also wear it long. You could wear it longer like that or like that. Yes, y'all, this is super cute to me. And it's not really that spacious on the inside, but I just saw this more as a statement piece as well, y'all. Whenever I wear my black puffer, I'm gonna wear this too. That's actually it. That's all the things that I got from Forever 21. Honestly, we really ran through all these items and I'm really glad because I did not want to make this a long video at all. But yes, guys, please let me know which item do you think was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out and I'll see you guys in my next video.